Hi everybody. If you are wanting to get into sewing or you are just starting out and you don't know what machine to buy, this video is for you, because I know how anxiety inducing it can be when you look at all the machines out there and it's hard to choose. So if you're just a beginner, anything will do. Okay, but I want to make sure you have some features that will make your sewing experience more enjoyable. So first of all, avoid buying this machine. This is a toy. It is not a real machine. Even if you're purchasing for a child, please don't get this one, because if you're wanting this child to get into sewing, or if this child wants to get into sewing, this is not the way to do it. You're better off going to a store and buying a $100 machine, just the very basics than that. But to make your experience more enjoyable, I want to show you some features that you might want to consider. Okay, mine is a very basic. So mine has 14 stitches plus my buttonhole. I think all machines have buttonholes. Now this one is a 4-step where you would have to turn it 4 times depending on what side of the buttonhole you're making. You will have to mark your buttonhole length. That takes a little practice. It has zigzag. It has 3-step zigzag, some stretch stitches, blind hem stitches, and a drop-in bobbin. And this one has a vertical thread holder. It's perfect for me. If you're just starting out, it'll be perfect for you. But let's talk about some features that would really be nice. This is a brother. It has lots of stitches, and this can be really fun, and you have all these fancy threads that you can do. There are metallics that are really nice for decorative stitching, and then I've even seen thread that is clear when you put it in, and when you go outside it changes color. Really cool. Lots of fun thread stuff. But this one has an automatic thread needle threader, which is really nice, because if you have a problem I do and you can't see the hole in the needle anymore, this is a really nice feature to have. The next one is then the automatic buttonhole system. And what this is there's a foot, and I'm going to leave a card up above so you can go watch that video. It'll show you how to do the buttonholes. Really cool. You drop a button in the back, close it up, put the foot on, choose your buttonhole, adjust your settings, and then this little lever, when it comes down, this triggers the machine to do its thing. And when you're done, when the machine is done making the buttonhole, it even stops by itself. So really, really cool feature. This also has a drop-in bobbin. Now, what I think is really important with a new sewer is speed control. Neither one of mine have it, but the machine that I'm going to show you in just a second is a machine that I had and I recommend for beginners, because it does have the needle threader. It does have speed control, but it doesn't have the automatic buttonhole system. So write these things down. If these are things that you're looking for, automatic buttonhole system, automatic needle threader, and a new seamstress or someone new to sewing, all you basically need is straight stitch, zigzag, buttonhole. These are just things that make it easier and more enjoyable. So if you're going to purchase a machine online, I'm going to leave links in the description box for some machines to consider. If you use those links, they're affiliate links. It doesn't cost you more to get them. Amazon just kicks a few bucks my way. So I just wanted to show you that you don't have to spend, please don't spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you're a beginner. Get one that's just over $100. Don't waste your money. Get the cheapest you can find with the features that you want, and use that for a few years. And then as you get more experience, then you'll kind of understand the things that you want in a machine. And then, do you want to upgrade to an embroidery and sewing machine, or do you want to go into business and then possibly get an industrial machine? But right now, in the beginning, just do this. It'll be perfect. You can use it for years. Now, this is the machine that was purchased for me at Walmart many years ago. I tend to be a little rough, so I actually use this machine. I kind of ran it into the ground, but I used it for years and years. So it has the automatic needle threader and it has speed control, but it doesn't have the automatic buttonhole system. So it's a really good machine. It's a good starter. And yeah, I think it would be good for a child or an adult. So if you're looking to buy a machine for Cyber Monday, write the things down that you want and then just go look for it. Don't get hung up on all the features. And Amazon has a way of sorting. What I would do is look up sewing machines and then sort by lowest price to higher price. And that way you can go through and then you can see what's offered. Don't get the toys. The toy machines, those are no good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you're notified when I upload more videos. And if you would like to support this channel, hit the thank you button down below and you can send me a gift that will help me to be able to continue making these videos. Thank you. Bye.